Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to 2A News Now. And as always here at 2A News Now, you get your Second Amendment news straightforward and to the point with no BS added in. Holy crap, 2 days in a row that we have a big win for the Second Amendment. It's a hell of a start for the weekend, and these two wins are fantastic early Father's Day presents. Yesterday I posted a video about a federal judge that vacated the ATF rule on pistol braces. So that means if you would like, you can put your pistol braces back on your pistols. But some people are holding off on that because most likely there will be an appeal. But that's still a big win anyway. And I also mentioned at the end of that video that today the Supreme Court might make some other decisions. But well, heck, I didn't expect a big one like this. The ATF ban on bump stocks has been struck down by the Supreme Court. And they did so in a 6-3 decision. And if you're someone that doesn't know, that happened during the Trump administration, after that mass shooting in Vegas at a concert. And bump stocks had been legal for quite a long time. And then Trump pressured the ATF to ban them. And they did. The ruling says that the ATF exceeded its statutory authority by issuing a rule that classifies a bump stock as a machine gun. I know it sounds crazy, but they did it. Justice Clarence Thomas, writing for the majority, said, "A semi-automatic rifle equipped with a bump stock is not a machine gun defined in that statute because it cannot fire more than one shot by a single function of the trigger. And even if it could, it would not do so automatically." And of course we all knew this, but the ATF banned them anyway. A shooter must release and reset the trigger between each shot, and any subsequent shot fired after the trigger has been released and reset is the result of a separate and distinct function of the trigger. All that a bump stock does is accelerate the rate of fire by causing these distinct functions of the trigger to occur in rapid succession. And here's a really fantastic thing about Clarence Thomas's opinion. It may have impact on the semi-automatic firearm bans across the country. And Justice Sonia Sotomayor wrote in her dissent, "When I see a bird and it walks like a duck, swims like a duck, and quacks like a duck, I call that bird a duck. A bump stock equipped semi-automatic rifle fires automatically more than one shot without manual reloading by a single function of the trigger. Because I, like Congress, call that a machine gun, I respectfully dissent." And she's just like one of many that's affected by the liberal pathogen, which involves having liberal logic. It feels really good to have these two wins under our belt, but we can never back down just because we got these two wins 2 days in a row. We have to keep the pedal to the metal. We have to keep our foot on their throats. And even though we shouldn't have to, we will continue to fight for our Second Amendment rights and our constitutional rights. So everybody go out this weekend and have a good time, especially those who are fathers. I would like to wish everybody an early happy Father's Day. I hope you get to spend some time with your family, especially your kids. And I know I say this a lot, but I really do appreciate everybody's support with the channel, especially since I've been going through a lot of this stuff with my health. And your guys' comments are so very nice, and I really do appreciate it. And I will continue to make these videos, and I hope you guys continue to support the channel like you always do by liking, sharing, and subscribing and hitting those post notifications. And as always, I invite you to come back and watch my next video.